Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter, that is simple machine. So first of all, what is machine or simple machine? So I have written the definition here. What is simple machine or machine? Simple machine is a tool or device that helps us to do our work easily and fastly. So machine makes our work easier and faster. How? Are machines performing our work or they are applying their own force to perform our work? No. They are not performing our work or they are not applying their own energy. They are only supporting or they are only helping us to make our work easier and faster. For example, I have written one question here that can you cut fruits and vegetables into regular sized pieces nicely without a knife? So answer is no. We cannot cut fruits and vegetables into regular sized pieces nicely without a simple machine. That is here simple machine is what? Knife. Okay, you all are not going to cut it by your hands alone. So we require here a simple machine. So here the simple machine is what? Here simple machine is knife. So knife help us to cut the fruits and vegetables, okay, into regular sized. Okay, so here knife, just like the knife, some other examples also. For example, so this is also one of the example. You can't carry or lift the heavy object from one place to another place easily or fastly. So this is the simple machine which lift the heavy object from one place to another place. Okay, similarly here you can see that man is using the sloping plane. Okay, this is the sloping surface or the inclined plane, you can call it. Okay, so this inclined plane or the sloping surface is what? It is also a simple machine. This sloping surface is a simple machine which is known as inclined plane. So here what the man is doing, he is actually carrying the load, heavy load. So this machine, this sloping surface which is known as inclined plane, help to move the heavy load. Okay, so here man has to apply less effort, less force he is applying due to this sloping surface. Here you can see man is applying there more effort, more force to carry the heavy object. But here due to this simple machine, he has to apply less force. Okay, so this is also one of the simple machine. How does simple machine work? So here these are the some following ways by which simple machine can work. First is by changing the direction in which force or effort is applied. Second, by changing the point of application of force. Third, by changing the magnitude of force. And fourth, by changing the speed. Okay. Now the first is by changing the direction of force or effort is applied. Here you can see direction is changing. Okay, so in first case you can see a man is drawing the bucket from the well. Okay, and here the direction is what? Upward direction, and the man is applying much effort so that bucket will be pulled out from the well. But in second case you can see man is applying the effort in downward direction, here in upward direction and here with downward direction, you can see. Okay, so why? Because here the simple machine is used by the man, that is the pulley. So pulley is a simple machine which help to make the man work easier. Okay, how? By changing the direction. Here man is applying the his effort, more effort in upward direction, but here with the help of simple machine his work become easier and he has to apply less effort, less force to draw the water from the well, and here direction become downward. Okay, second is by changing the point of application of force. In case of scissor, you know that scissor, when you use it, when you are using the scissor, in that case what happen, the point of force is changes. How? In when you are using the plain paper to cut it, then in that case what happen, the force is applying by the two direction. Okay, so paper is, you will cut the paper, so what happen, the position will changes, and what happen, the force applied by the scissor on the paper is perpendicular. As you can see, when you are using the scissor to cut the paper, then what happen, this scissor is applying, when you cut it, then what happen, scissor is applying the force in two different direction. One you can see upward, another you can see downward. Okay, so scissor is applying its force in two different direction on the piece of paper, and this force which is applied by the scissor, here the direction of application, that is the point of application, changes. Okay, and this force, the scissor which is applying the force on the paper, is perpendicular to the length of paper. Okay, like this you can see it is applying what force, that is perpendicularly it is applying its force, and both the force is in the opposite direction. Okay, now third is by changing the magnitude of force. Okay, magnitude of force, in this case, here what happened, that small effort has to apply to overcome the large load. So as in case of wheelbarrow, what happened, due to this, I will show you the picture. So as you can see here, this picture, wheelbarrow. So due to this wheel, what happened, it is easy to carry the heavy load with less effort. Okay, so here what happened, effort become less because due to the presence of this wheel. Okay, so we can overcome from the larger load with less effort. Okay, so wheelbarrow is a force multiplier in which it uses a smaller effort so that to overcome from the larger load. Next is by changing the speed. Now in this case what happened, that here also a small effort is applied to a small wheel to overcome from greater load. Okay, it is a speed multiplier in which speed is increases. Okay, so here for example you can see scissor. In case of scissor, what happened, the small effort arm is less as compared to the load arm. So there what happened, the to overcome from greater load, speed, small effort is applied to overcome from the greater load, and their speed is increases. So that is a speed multiplier. Another example, you know very well about the wheel and axle. Okay, it is also come in this category. Okay.